Find the general solution then to this trig equation. So here we know that sine squared plus cos squared is 1. So we can obtain a quadratic in sine, can't we? So here we've got 2 sine theta minus 4 cos squared, which we can replace by 1 minus sine squared. Bring the minus 2 over to be plus 2, and then we can let it equal 0. So we've got plus 4 sine squared. Then what have we got? 4 sine squared minus 4 plus 2. We've got plus 2 sine theta. Then we've got minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Divide by 2 all the way through. Get that. So here we can write 2 sine theta and sine theta here for the first term. We have to write 1 and 1. This has to be a plus and this has to be a minus, doesn't it? So let's just check it. 2 sine squared plus 2 minus 1 sine is sine theta. Minus times a plus is a minus. 1 times 1 is 1. Good. So that tells us then that sine theta, this one tells us that sine theta is a half. This one tells us that sine theta equals minus 1. So we've got 2 possible solutions then. Mentioned here that we can look at a bit more closely. So let's look at sine theta equals a half. Draw a circle. Right cast. Sine is positive, isn't it? Sine is positive here and here, so draw 2 lines. Mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and write sine alpha equals a half. Now we know alpha, shift sine half, is pi over 6, 30 degrees. So it's going to be pi over 6 here, plus or minus, so the solution set then, theta is equal to pi over 6, and then it's plus or minus any multiple of a circle, so plus or minus 2n pi, and that would be for n equals 0, no turn at all, then 1 full circle, 2, and so on. So that's that set for that point there. The other one is equal to pi minus pi over 6, so that's 5 pi over 6, isn't it? Plus or minus 2n pi. Again for the same values here. So there's that solution set as well. Now let's look at sine theta is minus 1. Let's draw our circle. Let's write cast. And sine is negative, so sine is positive here and here, so it's negative there and there. So draw 2 lines, mark off alpha, the associated acute angle, and write sine alpha equals 1. So that tells us then alpha is pi over 2. So we can see the solution is here when alpha is pi over 2. So we get 3 pi over 2. So here then theta is equal to, so it was 3 pi over 2, which is one value. They overlap, coincide, these 2 lines. So 3 pi over 2. And then we can go around any multiple of a full circle, so it's plus or minus 2n pi. And that was true for n equals 0, 1, 2, and so on. So there's our entire solution set then.